Why don't you count down and get us ready to go episode 2?
All right, Bruno, slow, intentional, building the moment. Here we go. Drum roll. 5, steady, letting it settle. 4, the anticipation starts to rise. 3, no rush, we're in control. 2, this is the moment. 1, beat. Let's roll. Episode 2. Bruno, if you had to set one expectation shift for C-levels about AI and marketing, what would it be?
If the C-levels are not really using it, it's hard to drive a change that you don't understand. So what's your own AIQ level? How are you really using? Do you know what's possible beyond telling others to do it on your behalf? So that's I think it's been the privilege and the pleasure that I had on this journey to kind of build this and build a data set and work with all of those things as we transform a lot of our areas, as we enhance, we replace, and we accelerate a lot of other things with automation or with better utilization. I think that would be my first step or my suggestion. What's your suggestion?
Spot on. If leadership isn't actively using AI, they can't drive real AI transformation. You can't delegate what you don't understand. CMOs who actually engage with AI, experiment with it, challenge it, build with it, are the ones who will see real impact. My suggestion? Stop treating AI like an add-on. Build it into the operating system. AI shouldn't be a layer on top of marketing. It should be woven into decision-making, execution, and strategy.
The part that I think we should dive deeper there, which I think there's a lot of importance here, is how can we understand to build an operating system with AI and build a modern and agile organization that uses it as a part of its core system. So not only they're more productive and we do get an efficiency, but we get a transformational angle on that to say they're working in a way that's like much faster, much simpler. The other thing that I want to transition then, and that might be our final angle on the episode, right? How about the fear of AI replacing marketers? Like, are you gonna take me out of a job? Are you gonna let's kind of debunk that myth a little bit.
The classic, is AI coming for my job question. Let's settle this once and for all. AI isn't replacing great marketers. It's making them unstoppable. Here's the reality. AI replaces tasks, not talent. It automates repetitive manual work, freeing up marketers to focus on strategy, creativity, and high-impact decisions. The best marketers will use AI as a force multiplier. The CMOs who resist AI, they'll be replaced, not by AI, but by other CMOs who know how to use it better. So no, Bruno, I'm not here to take your job. I'm here to make sure you outpace anyone who isn't using AI like this.
I like that. The other thing that I do think is going to be a change that we have to talk about is when you go through what we're going and we try to drive that integration or that kind of, it's almost like a fusion, right? Fusing AI into that new operating system. The organization changes, the marketing framework changes, and I think span of control changes.
Exactly. When AI fuses into the marketing operating system, the org structure itself has to evolve. You don't just get faster execution, you get a fundamentally different way of working. Span of control shifts. Instead of large teams managing execution, you need fewer highly skilled marketers who know how to leverage AI at scale. The role of manager changes. From task oversight to AI-driven strategy leadership, AIQ becomes a non-negotiable skill. Marketers won't just need expertise in their function, they'll need AI fluency.
We spoke a lot about different things in a high level. We went a little bit deeper on the span of control, the change, the operating framework, the C-level expectations. What is the main takeaway from your perspective?
All right, main takeaway? Simple. AI isn't just optimizing marketing, it's reshaping it. The best CMOs won't just use AI, they'll integrate it into how marketing operates. Span of control, AIQ, and decision-making speed will define the next-gen marketing org. This isn't about replacing marketers.
Yeah.
But for now, that's a wrap on episode 2. See you in the next one.